evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm based out of Phoenix, Arizona, and this is the daily DoorDash numbers from the desert. Well, it's Friday, and we finished with $389.97 plus an additional, I think it's $467, I believe, and so that puts us roughly around 394.64. You can see I declined approximately 7 different orders. It was an interesting night tonight. Had to deal with support on numerous occasions. The money that's additional pay was because of a fraud, scammer. So, I recognize it right off the bat. Obviously, it comes in, DoorDash, your DoorDash customers calling. Ended up hanging up the phone on the individual, arrived, checked in. They said cancel the order via text, wrong address. I'm like, dude, you just tried talking to me and now you're, trying to make it look like you're all innocent. So in that aspect, it was kind of fun. But man, calling to try and get past Marissa. I hate Marissa. I will never date Marissa. Marissa is not my type. Marissa and I do not get along. I despise that woman. I continually tell her that she's broken, that she needs to be deleted, that she's the worst expenditure that DoorDash has made over the last year and a half. I do everything I can to try and get a live agent. And she'll even sit there and say, are you having problems with your current order? No, I want to talk to a live agent about a previous order. And she's just like, well, I can't help you with that. Is there anything else I can help you with? I says, I realize that you can't help me with that. And it's just trying to get past that little robot, that little AI voice is so tedious. But it's all well and good. I ended up calling and trying to talk to one individual, and that person was not matching my energy. Hang up, call back, fight Marissa again, get another agent. They're willing to deal with me. Great. Do me a favor, block me from that customer so that I don't have to deal with them ever again. Give me my half pay. Send me an email with the dollar amount. And sure, did everything, blocked the customer, sent the email, never paid out the funds. Well, I am not about to sit there and wait for those funds to hit my account. I'm trying to get out of debt, and $4.67 will surely help. So I wanted my money. And so driving down the road, walking up to people's houses, on phone calls with support, had to call back again. This person sent me the email, got a tracking number, blah, blah, blah. Great. Can you send me a screenshot? Yes, I can. Great. It's done. It's in your account. No, it's not. It's not there. Great. Send me another screenshot of your earnings. Did that. Finally got that taken care of, got my money, but it's like, geez, it took 45 minutes to do all that type of stuff, and it's just like wasting my time. So I was really hoping to make over 4 bills tonight, and some things I guess just slow you down. Some things just pop up when you're not expecting them. But just like I said, sometimes when you get knocked down, you get twirled around. They expect you to do the hokey pokey and everything else, but it's like, are you gonna curl up into a ball and be upset, or are you gonna get up on your horse and ride? Well, just like my video from yesterday, I'm going through some stuff right now with the family, and it's just like, you know what? It's time to get focused, and it's time to get on your horse and ride. So I still watched a bunch of lives of some people that I'm, making friends with, but just tried to not interact as much, tried to stay focused so that I could put up the numbers. And it worked for the most part. It's like that trade-off. You want to sit down. I wish I was at a desk and just being able to type all throughout the conversation, but I cannot focus on the small print and interact and do all that type of stuff. So if you're listening to this, Aaron and John, I want to participate. I'm staying focused. I always am listening. I'm always, watching you fix your car or sharing off your lift jacket, so, so I'm done. I'm not going to be able to cash out tonight, but just to show you, we're going to get out of this. We'll go out to the, earnings real quick and go into the fast pay. And you'll notice that's the additional dollar amount that I calculated for you. So our current numbers were at $13.94.21 with a day and 3 hours short because I took off yesterday. Looking at today, from the summary, the error comes up again. I wish they'd fix their errors. We actually did 42 deliveries today. So, looking at our ratings, let's go see if we have anything to clean up over there real quick. There might be some on-time problems. Nope. We're at 88 acceptance rate, 100 completion, 100 on-time, 5.0 customer rating, 993 for last 30 days, 47,335 for lifetime deliveries, and I don't do pro shopper. So I was a pro shopper, but when they raised that level up to 96, I just didn't want to play their games anymore, and I find it to be a waste of my time. So still platinum, and that's it. So we're on our way home. I'm just filling up the gas tank right now. Just completed that, and